Hexcel's strategy is to be number one in the markets we serve with advanced composite materials, and our tools help us do that. Customers' expectations are increasing, and our need to respond effectively and on time, right every time, is important for us. Hexcel is a world leader in the manufacture of advanced composite materials for commercial aerospace, space and defense, energy generation, transportation, and recreation. Today we're at our Casa Grande facility where we make honeycomb core. We'll show you how our tools for manufacturing execution and supply chain management help us deliver to our customers consistently and on time. We use Delmia Quintic as our advanced planning solution, and we'll continue to exploit that capability to be responsive to make sure our inventory is in the right place at the right time and we're meeting customer needs. Let's go talk to a few members of the team to learn more. Dan, we use Delmia Quintic as our advanced supply planning system for our global fibers network. What can you do today with that we couldn't do before?
Delmia Quintic allows us to actually load a production plan over a 2-year horizon typically into our ERP system, which then flows requirements down to the sister sites that are intertwined in our vertical integrated company. Delmia Quintic allowed us to take essentially multiple fragmented planning tools and eliminate them. So now everything is contained within Delmia Quintic. So you can almost make a change in one system that will flow through all of the systems, so we can much more rapidly assess changes to our supply chain almost instantaneously. So it allows better decision making when we're looking at whether or not we can support the requirements that the sites have.
Today we use Delmia Aprizo in all of our manufacturing sites. And as we think forward, we'll continue to expand the functionality that we deliver to the shop floor through Aprizo. Random, what do you like best about Delmia?
A couple things I really like about it. One is it's a common entry point for all of our operations personnel, all of our factories around the world. It's very easy from an IT perspective to support because it's just one platform to deal with instead of multiple platforms. It's a great system because we have all of our data in one place in exactly the same format for our teams to analyze.
And what are the benefits that you see?
There's quite a few benefits, but really the best one for us is product consistency. A better product for us is a better product for our customers. Lower scrap for us means less touch time, more throughput, and it has knock-on safety impact because we're just not touching our product as much as we used to.
And how about our employees?
Each employee has a little bit different perspective. Our operations personnel don't have to write down on paper anymore or carry physical quality stamps. Our engineering and quality teams can be sure that the documents that are on the floor are the latest and greatest revisions. And our operations teams can know exactly where the products are on the floor and see the equipment status. And finally, our customers know that the product that we're making is to the latest revisions of their specifications.
And what about transformations? What is just completely different than it was in the past?
It's really all about standardization across our factories, and being able to digitize all of our documents in one similar system allows our business analysts to see how we're performing from factory to factory.
We've talked about the benefits for our employees, our customers, and the consistency and operational excellence and how we think and work at Hexcel. But more, our solutions for manufacturing and supply chain support Hexcel's value. One Hexcel, accountability and responsibility, and of course, innovation.